no issues with my bike all day. Don't need tyres, don't need fuel. I don't have a hole in my fuel tank like Xavier. I haven't lost my handbrake like Chris. I don't have to go fix my injectors like Kyle. James doesn't really have any issues. He kind of just like fuels up his car, puts on more tyres and goes. So I can't really say much about that.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is. Like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got.
So I've successfully yoinked James's camera, and we're out here on the Speedmobile. And we're gonna go see if we can spot him on track. This is an incredibly slow zoom. So I don't know if you can see, but that pink car is actually better than the black one in front of it because it has an SR. Even though the black one hasn't had any problems, the pink one still, it has an SR, so I don't know, James, bit sus. What in the world? James loves R32s, so there you go. Alright, so I'm pretty sure James has gone back in because I can't see him or Xavier, so I'm going to head back to home base. Might grab a couple clips of what's around on the way, just because I don't know what James has covered. And I don't know what you want to see, because I'm not James and I don't run the channel. So they've come back out and they're doing 3 to 6 right when I rode all the way over to this side. I was over there before and I was going to keep going, but then I thought they came in, so I guess we're going back.
Tell me on, 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 yeah, yeah. Tell me on, tell me on, tell me on, tell me on, yeah, J-Lips. Tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend the whole check, you do not care, well that's what you said. Tell me a lie, tell me again, cause this whole time I've been with your friend. Tell me why, I play pretend, tell me why, you play pretend. Tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend the whole check, you do not care, well that's what you said. Tell me a lie, tell me again, cause this whole time I've been with your friend. Tell me why, I play pretend, tell me why, you play pretend. I tell you I can make this end, and you crying out till my fault again. Now you're back in the back of the room calling all your friends, telling them I'm the reason, say it again. Gave you plenty of chances, bitch, you just never listen. I seen you with my friends, I seen you out there dancing. It took a while to mend, I wonder if you mentioned I could get back in your bed once I'm finished this session. But all the flags are red, so I head in the other direction. I can count about 10 of your friends all screaming out for my attention, but I will never give it to them, baby, that's the difference. I know that my friends are fucking dickheads. They let it happen in an instance, and man, I'm glad they did it, cause now I see who's true and who's a fucking idiot.
For an LS guy's YouTube channel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wait, let me talk to him. Hey my buddy, what we got here is fucking LS. This is God's motor, my brother. Will not let you down. The gearbox definitely fucked out on me, but the SR bus, she goes hard.
Exactly.
Tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend a whole check, you do not care, but that's what you said. Tell me a lie, tell me again, cause this whole time I've been with your friend. Tell me why, you better pretend. I said, tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend a whole check, you do not care, but that's what you said. Tell me a lie, tell me again, cause this whole time I've been with your friend. Tell me why, I better pretend, tell me why, you better pretend. Lost in my head, she want a bag, well I want a friend. Try to pretend to be in a corner and she gets blue, but I feel red. Hold her hand, I do not lie, I just got drift to go and bend. She will lie to my eyes, hide and secretly text men. Not surprised when I find a valid reason for our end. Please don't cry and leave me drenched down alone inside this trench that you made.
hope some of this is okay, because I don't really know what's going on. A lot of my footage has ended up like super shaky, so.
If you had the chance, would you take it? I've run so far but been patient. Times have changed but stayed patient. Sold drugs like a doctor my patients. If you had the talent, would you make it? Probably not, cause let's face it, talent's not what it takes to be famous these days. It is all created. People wanna know how I did what I did, but I just did me until I won. Say you wanna move like a king but don't know shit, still living like a bum. Said he wanna move with a team but he got a reputation for being dumb. Asked if he can leave with a P and come back and pay for it when he's done. Look, if you don't have the cash up front, then please don't come where I stay, is what they would say to pour out J. They're cold in the pouring rain. Then cry when crime comes to their place, cause we need dimes to pay for the drugs they're giving away. Kinda funny how the cycle's working, ayy. I'm just trying to make it out. I'm sick of playing this game. I'm sick of writing it out on the same old fucking page just to get a name for myself. I'm sick of scripts with my name on them just to handle my health. It really is a shame that they won't care till it's about bands and Louis V belts. That's why I'm here working on wealth. I'm who they feared, they chose someone else. Now I'm coming in and I'm about to ring bells. I'm making it clear there's nobody else. Shut up, you queer, buy me a beer, cause I got here with nobody's help. Sheesh. If you had the chance, would you take it? I've run so far but been patient. Times to change but stayed patient. Sold drugs like a dog to my patients. If you had the talent, would you make it? Probably not, cause let's face it, talent's not what it takes to be famous these days. It is all created. I'm numb to the pain nowadays cause of that hole she left. It's a bump for the pain, straight to my brain. That's how I'm coping with stress. I try to refrain but going insane. I've only got one shot left. It isn't a game but I've been playing. It's time to plan my steps. Watch or get playing, it's time to obtain everything I said I'd get. But you're not to blame, it's just a shame that we did not connect. So full of hate, forgetting your name, so I did not regret walking this way when things change. I hope that you understand. I don't really care about you, baby, let alone all your problems. Why you calling me late at night? I'm not Batman and this ain't Gotham. Hate me or love me when I say to not leave.
Alright, so they're going out again. Yeah, Chris, Xavier, Kyle, and James, of course. So we're gonna race over there to turn 3 or turn 6 and see if we can get some clips, boys. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Bruh, can't see anything out here, dogs. I reckon this is the real whip. I've had no issues with my bike all day. Don't need tyres, don't need fuel. I don't have a hole in my fuel tank like Xavier. I haven't lost my handbrake like Chris. I don't have to go fix my injectors like Kyle. James doesn't really have any issues. He kind of just like fuels up his car, puts on more tyres and goes. So I can't really say much about that. Far out. My eyes! I don't want to be skids. Cooked it.
no grip, and then on the last like 5 or 6 runs, I was like drifting, but I wasn't trying to do like big angle and waste all the tyre. I thought it was going to end, but they just kept letting us go. We had so many freaking laps, it's crazy. But yeah, the car, it's so freaking good. I didn't pop the bonnet today. I actually zip tied it shut. The bonnet's zip tied shut at the moment, and yeah, almost didn't pop it yesterday. I popped it by accident. Oh, that's freaking sick. But I have like had this car out here multiple times. Fix the views with things with it. It's bent. Now we go pack up, go home, and go to work tomorrow.